teachers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we talk everything special education. If that interests you, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Today, we're going to be talking about all of the school or classroom-based jobs that I could think of for students with disabilities. I've used a lot of these jobs with my past students. If you have any other ideas to add, please comment them below. Having school-based or classroom-based jobs can be great for students with disabilities for several reasons. But my favorite reason is that it's a great stepping stone into preparing students for future employment. I typically would have my students switch jobs after each week. Here are some of my ideas for different jobs around the school and the classroom. Some of the jobs are appropriate for younger kids and some are appropriate for older students like high school students. So I'm just gonna list them off. I have a list on the wall right there. So anyways, we have teacher assistant, table wiper, plant waterer, sweeper, duster, weather reporter, trash, concierge, a person who opens the door for everyone, binder finder, hands out folders and books, attendance expert, because for the life of me, I never remember, librarian, electric engineer, they do the lights and fans, board maintainer, they change the date each day, they write announcements on the board. We have a lunch announcer, a substitute, so that is if anyone with a job is absent, they will do that job, a head housekeeper, making sure everything is in order before they leave, school store worker, this is really great for students with math and communication goals, paper monitor, calendar, line leader, caboose, the person at the end of the line for younger students, lights, messengers, copy maker. I will have students make copies. We also have students make copies for other teachers. The teachers enjoy this and the students enjoy it. Library monitor, peer tutor, tech support assistant. I had a student who was like extremely good at technology. He was our tech support assistant and he would even go and shadow and follow along with our actual tech support person in the district. So that was a pretty cool one. We have lunchroom helper, hall monitor, bulletin board designer, if you have a student who loves to design or loves art, event photographer, specialized reader for students who are visually impaired, sensory break assistant, garden expert, greeter at school events, assistant to the PE teacher, data entry assistant, office assistant. I had a student who every sixth period of the day, she would go and help be the office assistant to the people in the office. This was really rewarding and the office staff really liked this. Then we have recycling. We did this every Thursday. We also have a recycling coordinator. We have students who work in our coffee shop, students who shred papers, a vacuumer, envelope stuffer. At one time I had a student who was in charge of passing out papers to all of the peers. Pencil sharpeners. You can have students who sharpen pencils, wipe classroom tables, dry erase boards. You can have students who put away items. For example, you might have a kitchen, so you might have students who put away the dishes, or even a student who does the dishes. Students might put away books on the shelves, toys, things like that. Another idea is a window cleaner. You might also have a student who cleans toys. Another good life skill for a high school or middle school class is a laundry folder. You can have a student stack chairs. I also have a student who is a human alarm clock. So I put alarms for all of our specials on the iPads. That student would keep the iPad on their desk, turn off the alarm, and remind me when it was time for us to leave. Then we have classroom greeter, a student who can help clean the cafeteria or tables or lockers, a pledge leader, snack helper, towel folder for the janitors. The janitors just love my kiddos. You can have students clean the classroom fridge if you have one of those. You can have a student who's in charge of wiping door handles, stapling packets for teachers. You can have students wash water bottles for coaches after games. This was always a popular one in my room. You can have a drill leader, collect and count money for dress down days, if that is something that happens in your school. You could have an IT department assistant. There you have it. Those are all of the ideas that I came up with, which was like 100 ideas. Hopefully you can use some of these in your classroom. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any other ideas, make sure you go and comment them below to help all of the other teachers watching this video. If you are looking for some free resources for your classroom, make sure to check out the links in the description of this video. Also, I have a bunch of activities available in my TPT shop that you can purchase for your special education classroom. My TPT shop is called Activity Teacher. Thanks again for watching. Happy teaching.